And the next challenge is the walk on water challenge. Davey's going to try it. I think he's going to fucking drown. That's obviously a big sheet of ice there with water underneath it. And for some reason he persists and wants to walk over it.
I'll make it.
The reason why I'm videoing it, in case he falls in, because it'll be funny as fuck. This is it, this is the leap of faith.
It's cracking.
Just bridge, innit? Bridge. You're easily over it now.
You're just saying that's what a fucking bridge. It's cracks.
Is the middle no the weakest? I don't know. Oh, it's in! That is fucking brilliant. There it is, that's video in, folks.